Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add photos into the RawTherapee. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. So if you want to do it standard way, open up the RawTherapee and click the file browser right over here at the left bar. Now you will need to search for the photo where you have it. So you will need to find it. When you find this, you simply just select it and then you will double click on it, and just like that you are in editor tab right here. Now if you're already looking at a photo in Windows Explorer or Mac OS Finder, so let's go here and I will show you what I mean by that. So let's take this one here, and okay, I'm looking for this photo right here. Now I can right click on it and then go open with, and then choose another app here, and I need to find now the RawTherapee, and I can import that into the program. Now we have also the simplest way to do that is by just drag and drop. So if I see this photo, okay, it's nice. Now I will just take it and drop right here. And I need to wait a few seconds. Just like that. And it will open up this photo. So this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next